To create a drafting drawing sheet in Onshape, start by selecting Create Drawing and then choose a drawing template. You can opt for a custom template, ISO template, or ANSI template based on your requirements. After selecting the template, insert the desired views and adjust their properties to suit your needs. This step ensures that the drawing accurately represents the intended design. Next, use the dimensioning tools to add dimensions to the drawing views. This step is crucial for conveying the precise measurements and scale of the design. Additionally, add annotations to provide further clarity and information. To enhance the drawing, consider inserting a bill of materials, BOM, to itemize the components. You can also add appearance and material properties to enrich the visual representation of the design. By following these step-by-step instructions, you can efficiently create a comprehensive drafting drawing sheet in Onshape, ensuring that your design is accurately documented and visually appealing.